guys, welcome back. It's your girl Nell Slays, and you know I always be slaying. So on today's video, you can actually see that this is me doing a half up bun with the crisscross back. I actually did a look like this before, but it was a different one. Instead of crisscross, I just used box. It still turned out cute as well. But now I'm just gonna head to put a Jamaican black castor oil in my hair. This is a bulk one. It's not the ones that they, water down. So this is the real deal. It stinks. But from here, you can see that I'm going ahead to part my hair. That's the top part that is going to be a bun. So I start from the center, part one side and part the other side. From there, I just go ahead, part the center down. And I'm just using a bit of edge control just to go ahead and hold my hair in place. So I'm just gonna head just to part of the sections as to where I'm gonna start. So I just go ahead, part it off in two, just edge control it, just to hold down the hairs in places, and then I will just go ahead and use the elastic band just to go ahead and secure it. But remember, not too tight now, because you don't want to grip your hair like that. And it's just the same process going up, nothing different. This time now what I'm doing, I'm holding the section that I actually did before, just to add it into the new one. And from there, that's all you do. It's just easy. So you guys can just go ahead and watch. So here I'm just going out just to take out those baby hairs. It's a lot because my hair is it's almost touching my eyebrow. So yeah. But with this here, I'm just gonna go ahead and catch it up just to see how it will look. And then I'm just gonna head just to add the edge control again, just to hold it in place. Just put it in a little bun and then move on to the edges. Them edges be looking like some, I really don't know. And I need to cut those little cream ends because they don't serve any purpose right now. So this here, I've had it over a year now and it's still going strong. I purchased it in a store here in Kingston. So all I do is just to add a bobby pin at the end there and just go ahead and wrap it around. No glue, nothing, because as I said, I'm going natural. So I really don't want to put a lot of things in my hair that could actually, damage it. Oh, and the name of this here is Star, I think, or Gold Pack. I would have to look it up so I let you guys know. I actually put in 2 because I want the bun to be a bit big. All you have to do now is just use some bobby pins and tuck the hair into place, and also use bobby pins to shape the bun. Well guys, there you go. That is the actual look. So I hope you guys like this, and you can definitely go ahead and try it, and it will actually turn out real cute because it's real easy and simple. So that's the back. But again guys, I hope you love it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And again, it's your girl Nell Slay, and she always be slaying. Have a good one.